In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lightning table dashboard component in Salesforce. If you've ever wanted to elevate your data visualization skills within Salesforce, you're in the right place. We all know the importance of dashboards in presenting data effectively and how they can transform heaps of data into intuitive insights. With that in mind, let's dive straight into the process of building a powerful lightning table dashboard component. Begin by navigating to the Salesforce home screen. Familiarize yourself with the environment if you're new to Salesforce, as it will make the process smoother. Now look for the App Launcher, which is your gateway to various Salesforce features. Once you click on it, you'll find Dashboards among the options. Go ahead and select that. After opening the Dashboards area, the next thing you'll want to do is choose an existing dashboard to work with. If you're starting fresh, consider creating a new one following the same principles. For now, select one that already exists. Click on Edit to modify this dashboard. This enables the editing mode, wherein all your customization magic takes place. With your dashboard open in edit mode, it's time to add new elements. Click on Add Widget to bring a new component into your dashboard. Here, you'll have the choice to add either a chart or a table, depending on your visualization goals. For this demonstration, let's select the table. Next, you'll need to choose a report that will serve as the data source for your table. Choose a report that contains the data you wish to display and click on Select to confirm your choice. This is a critical step, as the chosen report will define the data narrative your dashboard presents. Within your selected report, choose a chart that aligns with your dashboard's objectives. Remember to focus on the value and how you want it presented. You'll have the option to adjust the display units and decimal places according to your needs. These options let you tailor the data's presentation, ensuring clarity and precision in your dashboard component. After customizing the appearance and data points of your table, click on Add to finalize the addition of the component to your dashboard. From here, you can reposition your new table to best fit your overall dashboard design. The ability to move and rearrange elements allows for a clean, organized look. Finally, with all components in place and arranged to your preference, it's crucial to save your work. Click Save to ensure all changes are recorded, and then select Done to exit the editing mode. And there you have it, a complete and customized lightning table dashboard component within your Salesforce dashboard, ready to transform your data into actionable insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to make the most of Salesforce's dashboard capabilities. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.